Hi friends, once again welcome back to Rojeez Share Tips. In today's video, we are going to look at the share analysis of Gail India Limited. The reason why we are doing the share analysis right now is recently the company has announced a board meeting to approve interim dividend, and also share price is currently standing at a critical support level and also at a very heavy discounted price. So possibly this can be a short term and medium term opportunity. That is the reason why we are doing an analysis right now. If you look at the business model, it is natural gas distribution in India mainly. It has a decent growth potential due to the public sector type and also the high demand of this product. Market cap is at 57,502 crores, which means it is a large cap stock. That means company is firmly established in the market. Current market price is at 129, which is at 53.5% discounted price from its all-time high of 275 277 levels. Happened twice in the past, 2008 and 2014. Book value is 135, which is 104% of the share price. That is even higher than the current share price. And also it is an FNO activated stock, which means trading is happening in very large volumes. Now if you look at the face value of the stock, it is 10 rupees, which means a stock split is possible sometime in the future. But considering the very slow movement of share price, I can only say that it may be possibly another 8 years or maybe in 10 years. Dividend yield is 3.86, showing 386 rupees returns per year for every 10,000 rupees invested, which is not high, not low, it is medium returns. Bonus history shows that issued 4 bonuses. Last issue was in 2019 at the ratio of 1:1, and the second last issue was in 2018 at the ratio of 1:3. Any case, hence the share price is not growing very much. Bonus is also useless. 12-month returns at 13.08 is just okay. 5-year return 6.86 is poor. Maximum returns 20 years is more than 963%, which is okay, just okay. Inventory turnover is 14.6, which is outstanding figure. Pledge percentage is 0.00, showing company hasn't pledged any of its shares. Earnings per share is 13.8, which is very high, which is 10.6% of the stock price. ROE is 12%, ROCE 13.5 and ROA 7.85, which is just okay, not very good, not very bad, somewhere in the middle. Debt to equity is 0.13, which is very good or okay. Debt to profit is 1.24, which is also under control, not bad, it's okay. Promoter holding is 51.85, which is very good because promoter has very high confidence in this company. DII is 17.72, FII is 18.36, has decent amount, means company is attractive for investors. Stock PE is 6.12 against industry average of 10.7, shows that company is largely undervalued. First of all, it is a government company. In government companies, always you will see undervaluation. You will never see overvaluation. So, in my opinion, this is a fairly valued stock. Consistent and fairly growing profit in last 12 years shows that your money invested in this company is absolutely safe. The reserves of the company is 48,742 crores, which was increased from the previous year value of 44,758 crores, showing that company has sufficient reserves to handle any kind of economic shocks. If you look at the cash flow, it is found positive, and you can see further consolidation of debt and more money is allocated into investment activities. After all these things, still the cash flow is positive, means which is very positive. Chairman and Managing Director is Mr. Manoj Jain, age 57, who has a bachelor degree in mechanical engineering. He got an MBA in operations management, 34 years experience in Gail, which means that company is headed by very experienced and qualified person. Again, Gail contributes 53% of the natural gas sold in India. It also operates 3/4 of the total natural gas transmission pipelines in India. Company story, that is evolution story, is mentioned in annual report PDF page 18 and 90. Also, company has 8 subsidiaries and 16 associates/joint ventures. List is available in annual report PDF page 2021. Gail Global Network, that is international network map, is available in annual report PDF page 25. Organization is headquartered in New Delhi. Remuneration paid to the top directors, that is 5 members, is 5.6 crores as per the annual report PDF page 107. That means only roughly 0.1% of the profit is taken as director salary, which means company is not mismanaged. If you go to page number 18 of annual report, you can see the story of this company. 1984 the company gave birth, and like 87, 99, 2001, 2011, 2013, and if we continue to the next page, you can see 2015, 2017, 16, 18, 19, 21, the progress. Now if you go to page number 20, you can see the subsidiaries, domestic as well as foreign subsidiaries. Now if you continue to page number 21, you can see associates and joint ventures. The domestic as well as international associates and joint ventures is available in page number 21. Now if you go to page number 25, you can see its global network map. It is available in USA, it is available in Egypt, Myanmar, Russia, China, Singapore, and as well as in India as well. So that is a global network. Now if you go to page number 107, you can see the salaries of all top directors. Company is founded in the year 1984, showing 37 years of existence. If you look at the recent financial quarterly performance, Q2 2021 showing a net profit of 2883 crores, previous quarter Q1 2021 showing a net profit of 2138 crores. But if you look at the previous year same quarter, that is Q2 2020, net profit is 1112 crores. That is, on quarterly basis there is an increase of 34.8%, year on year basis 159.26% increase, which means a quarterly performance is very positive. This year 2 dividends of total 5 rupees has been already distributed. Third interim dividend is expected on 30th December 2021, that is after the board meeting on 23rd December 2021, the decision will be taken about the third interim dividend. Going to the technical analysis part, you can see the 200 exponential moving average line, this pink line is clearly above the price line, showing that chart is bearish. And you can also see the 13 and 48 moving average, you can see negative bearish crossover, and that is pointing downwards. So the 38 and 14 exponential moving average is also bearish. If you look at the MACD is negative value, but it is neutral, it is not showing any clear direction. If you look at stochastics is bearish. Now if you look at RSI is neutral, but it is close to the oversold zone. So based on the technical indicators, what I understand is price is firmly bearish. It can continue in the bearish rally, but one thing you have to notice, it is staying on a critical support. This support has to be broken, only then we can say it will go bearish. At the same time, there is a very important point to note. There is a fundamental event coming, which means fundamental event, if it is very strong, it can make the technical analysis void for short term. The same thing is mentioned here as well. The 200 exponential moving average is bearish. 13 and 48 exponential moving average is also looking bearish. The current price is okay for short and medium term perspective. MACD is negative and neutral. Stochastics looks bearish. RSI index is neutral but near the oversold zone. Hence Q2 results came positive, and also on a possible dividend issue ex-date 30th December, the fundamental event can overpower the technical and price can climb up. Based on the technical indicators, price is firmly bearish, that is 5% bullish, 60% bearish and 35% neutral. But due to the fundamental events coming and current price is resting on a decent support, technical indicators has zero effect in short term. Follow buy on dip strategy. Support can be found at 130, 127, 125 and 180 levels. Any price around or below 128 will be fair entry. Opportunity is for short and medium term. Between 120 and 125 will be much better entry. Minimum and maximum short term and medium term portfolio allocation is 1% and 4% respectively. That means you can buy 7 to 30 quantity for a portfolio size of 1 lakh. Immediate target is 140, medium term target is 150, 155. Long term target is not applicable as the share has less significance in the long term. If you found our video useful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.